Today in the shop, we're back on the 25-3 cage for our Pro Street G-Body. We're back, and today in the shop, we're gonna revisit the Halo and install the A-pillar, dash, and strut bars. As you guys saw in the previous video, the fit on the Halo was garbage, so I took some measurements and had a new one bent up by my buddy Mike over at Belfab Automotive. Once we get that Halo installed, we can start on the A-pillars. Let's get started.
I have a dream, that's all I need. I'll make it happen with some work and belief. Know what I want, so I'll take it on. I've made mistakes, but mistakes make you strong. Let's break it down for a minute. I want the crown, I'm gon' get it. You hear me loud, man, I'm winning. Yeah, Charlie Sheen will be grinning. These ladies know that I'm sinning, and this is just the beginning. I'm closing in the night inning. There ain't no point in resisting. Living life like a dream, live it right, that's the thing. Every night, got a team, I've been tied to the scene. Out on stage, here I'm screaming, okay, it's a dream. And I pray as a team, one day it'll be me. If I want it, then I get it. Head down, don't regret it. Push myself to the limit. If I play it, then I win it. I'm just saying, I'm just living for today, for a minute. I don't stay, I just visit, have no shame, I admit it. Looking right at me to see if I succeed, to see if I believe. They're looking up to me. They want the best of me now, best of me now, best of me now, best of me. They want the best of me now, best of me now, best of me now, best of me. They want the best of me now. Swear to God, man, I'ma make it soon. Silence all the haters as they see us making moves. I do what I want, so I got nothing to prove. Staying motivated, teaching others what to do. I'm staying focused, my mind is open. They start to notice that I'm in motion. There is no potion, you're not just chosen. It takes devotion to stay composed, man. Never stop, there ain't no time to fall. Try to live, get it all, you got one life to ball. Thinking big, never small, cause you gotta want it all. When you finally get that call, you get ready, take it on. Need a handout, I already stand out. Starting to advance now, ready to expand now. You don't have a chance now, cause we're in demand now. Make it by the grand now, feeling in command now. They're looking right at me to see if I succeed, to see if I believe. They're looking up to me. They want the best of me now, best of me now, best of me now, best of me. They want the best of me now, best of me now, best of me now, best of me. They want the best of me now.
With the A-pillar bars installed, we can move on to the dash and strut bars. Before we start on the strut bars, we have to remove the mount for the factory wiper motor, and I'd like to find a way to keep the body removable so we can have the chassis powder coated later.
What I want to, mix a couple tracks, get a lady that I'm drawn to. Turn up to the max, get it faded till I'm gone, dude. I do what I want, couldn't stop me if you wanted to. I just work hard, yeah, harder than the rest. Some people say I'm lucky, others saying that I'm blessed. But I keep my head down, cause I crave progress. You ain't never gonna stop me, cause it's my conquest. And I'm never gonna rest, yeah. And y'all don't know that I'm a soldier. I always felt like I'm alone, yeah. When everybody thinks they know, yeah. And y'all don't even know I own, yeah. And now I'm ready taking over. 'cause every day I'm getting closer. Just look at everything I'll show ya. And now I'm ready, I'ma blow up.
Hey guys, I need a few seconds of your time real quick. We're putting together a pre-order for t-shirts, and if you want to grab one, now's the chance. The pre-order goes until the end of the month, and buying a t-shirt keeps the lights on and keeps us creating videos. Details are in the description below. Thanks guys, here's your video.
And now I'm ready, I'ma blow up. Yeah, I'm impatient, I don't ever slow up. I stay young, no, I never grow up. I keep working to the point I throw up. And if you cross me, it was good to know ya. I'm impatient, I don't ever slow up. I stay young, no, I never grow up. I keep working to the point I throw up. And if you cross me, it was good to know ya. Yeah. Oh yeah, yeah. I'm not the type to take no for an answer. I don't deal with people that are like a cancer. No, instead I hang with the people that enhance ya. And I'm not the type to give out second chances. I just wanna work on my own for myself. I don't need no help, not anybody else. Nah man, I got it dealt. I'm working on my wealth and I'm working on my health. Keep on working to excel, cause I'm working on myself. Yeah, and y'all don't know that I'm a soldier. I always felt like I'm alone, yeah. When everybody thinks they know ya, and y'all don't even know I own ya. And now I'm ready taking over, cause every day I'm getting closer. Just look at everything I'll show ya. And now I'm ready, I'ma blow up. Yeah.
The way we make the body removable while keeping the strut bars installed is a little creative. We start with a set of these 4-bolt flanges. These are from Speed Union. Comes with the set and the hardware. 1 5/8 083 wall tubing that I've notched and cut to about 1.5 inch length. And then these adapters are also 1 5/8. They're from Rampage Fab. And the way this works is there's actually a C-notch inside of here. And you can take this bar apart. So if you remove the hardware to take the bar out, you get this. And the way this whole thing works is we have our A-pillar bar, will sit right there. We'll take one of these adapters, put this little piece in it. It will sit something like this. These tubes are also 1 5/8 083 wall, standard 4130 tubing. The other flange will go on one of these right here. This adapter slides into the end. Then the remainder of our strut tube will slide onto the end right here. What this gives us is a solid SFI approved bar. And if we need to, we unbolt the 4 bolts right here, unbolt the 2 bolts right here. This section comes out, the firewall sits about here, leaving this area open for the body to be removed. When the body's reinstalled, we reverse the process. So we're gonna put these bars together, get them installed, and start on those strut bars.
And I've always learned it better with a hands-on education, so I need a private session if you get what I am saying. And they say that she's not easy, no, she's really complicated, but that only makes it better, and it's got me so fixated. And I'm not the type to wait around, I've never hesitated, but she's got me captivated, so the game, I'm gonna play it, yeah. She's got a body like a coke thing, she likes to keep the party going. These rumors got me feeling lonely, I want that body, baby, show me. She's got a body like a coke thing, she likes to keep the party going. These rumors got me feeling lonely, I want that body, baby, show me. it when you're undressed. I heard you like to get away. I heard you like to stay out late. I heard you had a couple boyfriends. I heard they didn't treat you right. I heard you're hated by your girlfriends, 'cause all the guys want you tonight. Yeah, they say she's too hot, they say she's too cold. Where she came from, nobody really knows. They say she looks young, but say she acts old. From everything I've heard, she gets out of control. And all the boys say she was sent from the heavens, but I'm not too sure that this girl is a blessing. She's got the devil's eyes and they'll cut you like a weapon. She's stuck in my mind like a bad obsession. Got bad intentions. She got a body like a cold thing. She likes to keep the party going. These rumors got me feeling lonely. I want that body, baby, show me. She's got a body like a cold thing. She likes to keep the party going. These rumors got me feeling lonely. I want that body, baby, show me.
So you guys might have caught it, but that noise that came from my welder was not normal. Something internally shorted out, the pedal went to full throttle, and I had to pour a ton of filler into this weld to keep from burning through before I moved my torch just to break the arc. This is the second time this week I've had this happen, and the last time I had to have a board replaced, which means we won't be able to tackle the strut bars, so we'll have to address that in the next video. That's it for this one. If you have questions or comments, drop them below, and don't forget to follow on Facebook and Instagram for the latest build updates. Thanks, guys.
I want that body.